Mallory Brooke has our forecast. Mallory, it sounds like enjoy the heat and the sun today because some changes are on the way.
Yeah, and some severe weather with that. We haven't had a ton of severe weather this season. I mean, we get it every now and then, but we are anticipating a little bit more of a ripe atmosphere heading into tomorrow. So if you had to choose between today and tomorrow to maybe get out in the afternoon or pick a pool day for the second half of the day, today is definitely your better choice. We do have that mugginess out there, so you still want to jump into your favorite lake or head to the ocean. We have a mixture of sun and clouds, so it's not straight sunshine, but it is on the warmer side, especially as you make your way into southern Maine. We do have temperatures into the 80s and even mid 80s, a little bit cooler as you head farther down the coastline. Dew point is 65 though, so that's the key piece. It really does feel a little moist out there, a little uncomfortable as you make your way out. Mix of sun and clouds is what we've been seeing, a few pop-up showers, but today I really wouldn't have that on my concern list. If it did come through, it'd be maybe 5 or 10 minutes. On the broad scheme, we do see a cold front that's going to be marching toward us for tomorrow. We have two areas of energy, one in the Carolinas and one in the Great Lakes. So we're going to be keeping our eyes on both of those. The new drought monitor did come in and not much change. So any rain we can get, of course, is very helpful. We've had quite a bit over the past couple of days, hasn't made much of a dent from that Rangeley, Greenville to Calais line and south, and we still have severe drought along the mid-coast and the southern coast. Current temperature is 85 degrees in Sanford, 84 for Portsmouth, 83 in Wiscasset, 81 right now in the capital, and we do have 70 in Caribou. So a little bit cooler as you make your way into northern parts of the state, and that's also where we have some of the drier air. Notice that the dew point in Caribou is 48, but it's 65 in Portland. So that's where we have that moist air. Same thing into Bar Harbor and Lewiston, 61 for your dew point in Freiburg. And I can tell you, because I have to turn my air conditioner off when we are on air, it's muggy. I can feel it. I can feel it creeping in right now. Temperatures are going to be into the 80s today. As we go through the remainder of the evening and the overnight, we're going to see those temperatures bottom out into the low, most likely though mid 60s. A few isolated showers hanging around tonight, but tomorrow's the day we keep our eyes on. Now here's the caveat. If we keep the low clouds and the fog for Friday morning, lessen the chances of that severe weather in the afternoon. And this particular model keeps a fair amount of low cloud cover during the morning Friday. So we have to keep our eyes on that, but you see those lines of showers and storms first coming through the coast around 2, and then we have a secondary line around 7 and 8. Those storms could produce damaging hail, higher wind gusts. We are looking at the possibility of some supercellular structures possibly forming, which means we could have some rotating cells out there tomorrow. It really depends how much sun we get in the morning. So I'm thinking New Hampshire has a better chance of seeing some of those stronger storms than Maine, because we're keeping a lot of the low clouds in Maine on Friday. But we'll keep our eyes very closely on that, of course, tonight and into tomorrow. Moving through Saturday, we do start to clear some of this cloud cover out and not nearly as warm. So here's a look at where we're seeing that severe weather for tomorrow. New Hampshire, the greater risk, and especially that southwestern slice of Maine, but the whole state is going to likely see some sort of thunderstorm activity. On the water today, seas at 2 to 3 feet, water temperature a little warm for us, 66 degrees. So we have those storms for tomorrow, remaining humid today and tomorrow. We get a break from it over the weekend, thank goodness, and then the humidity and storms do come back as we go into next week. So still a very summery forecast for us, but definitely have to keep our eyes and ears on the sky for tomorrow. And of course, we'll keep you updated on all the newscasts.
All right, Mallory, thank you so much.